Now we continue with the Facebook email extractor, and we are going to get here emails from posts. Okay, I can get a post ID. Like if I go to Justin Bieber here, I'm going to this page or whatever. Let's say I'm going to check a post, public, okay, this post here, for example. I'm gonna copy this post, I'm gonna paste, I'm gonna extract. Okay, I see many shares of this post. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show in tab. So I save post, save post. Then I'm going to check my, here we are. I get this one. I'm going to extract. So again, here to the CNN, for example, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna to my here input post ID. Okay, I need to input only the ID. If I don't know, I get the Facebook ID from here. Okay, and then if I'm going down, okay, here I get the ID of people who commented on the post, and I get the post ID. So this is a very good way to retrieve information from a post. You can see I currently only get email from users who commented on a post, So if you go to some important places where people are commenting and you get a lot of comments, then extract from a post, you get a lot of email addresses.